Okay, we have to simplify 2 times the square root of x times 5 times the square root of 6x times the square root of 2x. So equals, so first we have to multiply the coefficient, si 2 times 5 times 1. So that is equal to, ito ko ilagay ha, 10. Okay? Then, itong radical, i-multiply din natin yan. Okay? The square root of x times 6x times 2x, that is equal to 12x cube. Okay, using ko lang yung cube ko. Bakit siya cube? Kasi tatlo yung x dyan. Okay, then equals, i-factor natin itong radical na 12x cube. Of course, kopyahin natin yung 10. Huwag kalimutan yan si 10. Then, factor ng 12x cube is 4 times 3 times x squared times x. Okay? So, yun ang factor ng 12x cube. And then, continue tayo. Dito tayo sa baba. Kopyahin muna natin si 10. Then, separate natin yung mga square root na yan. Square root of 4 times square root of 3 times square root of x squared times square root of x. Okay? And then, continue tayo. 10. Kopyahin natin yan. Then, the square root of 4, that is 2. So, huwag kalimutan yung times, ha? Times 2. Then, times the square root of 3 times the square root of x squared, that is x. Then, times the square root of x, kopyahin na lang natin yan, si square root of x. Okay? Dito tayo sa baba, medyo malapit na tayo. So, 10 times 2, that is 20. Tuloy natin dito kay x. Okay? 10 times 2 times x, that is 20x times 3 times x. Si square root of 3 times square root of x, that is equal to square root of 3x. So, this is your final answer. Bye-bye.